Hi, let's dive into a new FinOps tools, and this time it will be cost anomaly detection. So first, AWS cost anomaly detection allows you to reduce cost surprises with advanced machine learning technologies, and also to identify anomalous spend and root causes so you can quickly take action. So in this example, you have the summary. In one account, I have 6 anomalies detected months to date, and the total cost impacts are this one. And if you click to one of these anomaly, so here, this is an example for Amazon Detective. So it will give you the details with the total cost impact of this particular anomaly, the expected spend, the actual spend, start date, last detected date, and the duration. And you can see here after the potential root causes. So you have your service detective here for each one of them. And each time the account in it, the region, the usage type. If you click to Cost Explorer here, you can go directly to this graph in Cost Explorer. And you can see that there is a spike here on 1st April. You can also create cost monitors by service, like this one, but also by account, cost category, and cost allocation tag. And finally, you can get alerted by email daily or weekly when any anomalous spend is detected.